The roar of American muscle echoes through time. Yet the legend of the 1965 Chevy Camaro exists in a realm of imagination, as the first Camaro officially debuted in 1966. However, envisioning what a 1965 model could have been opens the door to a thrilling alternative history, one where Chevrolet's iconic pony car took its first breath a year earlier. Be part of our passionate community as we explore the legacy, modifications, interior craftsmanship, and market value of the Camaro, diving deep into what makes this classic an enduring powerhouse. Had it been introduced in 1965, the Camaro would have likely carried the same aggressive styling cues and performance DNA that made the first-generation models so iconic, with bold lines, a sculpted body, and a front grille that exudes dominance. This muscle car would have embodied the spirit of high-performance engineering. Over the years, modifications have played a crucial role in keeping classic Camaros relevant, with enthusiasts swapping out original small block and big block engines for modern LS or LT powertrains, significantly enhancing power, efficiency, and reliability. The evolution of suspension setups, from leaf springs to independent rear configurations, transformed the handling capabilities, making resto-mod versions of this car an absolute dream to drive. Inside the cockpit, vintage aesthetics meet modern comfort. The original layout, with its simplistic yet driver-focused dashboard, has often been upgraded with digital instrument clusters, high-end infotainment systems, and custom upholstery, blending nostalgia with contemporary luxury. Bucket seats wrapped in fine leather, billet aluminum accents, and performance-focused steering wheels ensure that the driving experience remains both thrilling and comfortable. Features like air conditioning, high-fidelity audio systems, and push-start ignitions have become popular additions, bridging the gap between classic style and modern convenience. The market value of classic Camaros continues to soar, with well-maintained or fully restored models commanding significant prices, depending on modifications, engine swaps, and overall condition. Prices range from $50,000 to well over $150. Zero highly sought-after versions with custom-built performance packages and show-quality restorations have even reached auction prices, exceeding expectations, reflecting the ever-growing admiration for this legendary nameplate. More than just a car, the Chevy Camaro represents an era of raw power, bold design, and unrelenting performance. It is a tribute to those who embrace the thrill of the open road and the legacy of American muscle. Whether imagined as a 1965 classic or cherished in its later iterations, the Camaro continues to be a symbol of speed, style, and innovation. Join us in celebrating this automotive icon. Subscribe, engage, and become part of a community that lives and breathes the spirit of high-performance machines.